Hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. Friends, you have seen videos of right side or you watch videos like that type of channels. If you notice, you will hear how much professional their voices are, and you may think if you could make that type of voices in your video. So friends, I want to let you know that your wait is over. In today's video, I will introduce to all of you about a website where you can directly convert your text to voice. Means if you type the whole script of your video, it will automatically convert your text to professional audio, which you can use in your video. So without wasting any time, let me show that website. So to convert text to voice, at first connect your system to internet. Then open Chrome browser and search typecast.ai. You can do the same in your mobile device also. Open Google and search typecast.ai. Okay, here you will get this. Just click the first one to enter into their website. Now here, this is the home page. You can see the demo here. Now simply click on create now. Now here, to create account, you have to give your details. So you are not a member of this site, so click on sign up. Here you will get this page. At first you have to give your email ID. Now here you have to choose a password. Here you have to give the same password which you just have given to confirm it. Now here give your name. Then you have to give your mobile number. Then select your country from where you belong. Now here occupation and date of birth. Skip it right now, it is not necessary at all. Here to agree the terms and condition, check the box. Everything is okay. Now click on sign up. Now this site will send a link on your registered email address to verify it. So open your mail and click on this link. Now continue and you will be directly come to the home page again. Now click on create now. Here again create now and select start a new project. Here give the title. Then create project. Now we will get this. Here start typing your script. Suppose I am writing, hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. Now give enter to give a space of few seconds. Now again write the second sentence. In this video, I will talk about typecast. Okay. Now to listen, how does it sound? Click this play icon and then confirm.
Hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. In this video I will talk about typecast.
Now you can see that how a text is converting into audio. Now here you can change the sound, basically the whole character. Just click on this name, then add actor. Here you will get lots of character with different voices. Male, female both are available. Suppose I am selecting this. Now add. Then select the character you have added. Now click play.
Hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. In this video, I will talk about typecast.
So here you can listen that how the voice is changing. Now again I am clicking to this name and selecting a female voice. Suppose this one. Then again play.
Hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. In this video, I will talk about typecast.
So guys, you can see how this website changes text to audio. At last, I want to say that if you export this audio or download it, you will hear a sound tag of their company. So to remove it, you have to purchase their subscription. But don't worry, it's cheap. So guys, this was the video. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.